This is my room, and this is my sister.
Yeah, hi.
And the power went out, and I'm still nursing Thunderdale.
Sure.
I found a foot.
Oh.